Bharatiya Janata Party celebrates 41st Foundation Day. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren claims BJP has become most trusted and favorite political party. Chief Minister N. Biren assures government is taking extra precautions to prevent outbreak of second wave of COVID-19 in Manipur. Salai Holdings ex-chairman Narengbam Samarjit and managing director Narengbam Biswajit expelled from Sagulbantera Lokrakpam Lekai. And India logs 96,982 COVID-19 cases and 446 deaths in 24 hours. Country's COVID tally rises above 1,26,86,000. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Afternoon News. I'm Joyce Usham. To stay protected from coronavirus, wash your hands frequently, wear your mask properly and maintain a safe distance. Now the news in details. Prime Minister Narendra Modi addressed BJP workers from across the country on the occasion of BJP's 41st Foundation Day today through video conferencing. BJP National President JP Nadda also delivered his address. Various activities are being organized at all the booths by the party across the country. BJP Manipur Pradesh also celebrated 41st Foundation Day of the party today. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren claimed that Bharatiya Janata Party has become the most trusted and favorite political party of citizens in the state and the country. The event was held at a party office in Nite Park Chutek. And Biren further claimed that citizens are favoring the party, acknowledging the various welfare activities initiated in line with the party's ideology. He appreciated people of the state, especially the youth, for their cooperation during the recent festivities in the wake of COVID-19 second wave outbreak in other parts of India. Biren said that such cooperation is the solid proof that people support the present government. Chief Minister Biren said BJP-led government is relentlessly striving to bring equal developments of both hills and valley regions of Manipur. Biren also assured of revamping the historical INA Memorial in Moirang. He disclosed that government is considering to hold INA Memorial Day and other events at the state level in the near future.
INA की central leadership में सुयाम लुम्न लोगों, अभी एक कोई सुयाम लुम्न लोग जब मतलब ना थी लगे issues नहीं, मसी की पोसी लाकर तो बेटा इतना मरी से कोई तमोसर तो सोई ना रही से ना वाली सारे local की NGO ना पांगतों लोगों से मोई जो कोई की state ना organize तो बोली और ऐसे खर्च चावल फजना INA की 125 years लोगों में नहीं चुप से, अगर मसी की सिक्किम फजना तो उसी है ना लम दूसरे lam ani yum taramba bong bata bagi lam lokse laga sauthong bagi scheme do honorable prime minister home minister de phajana request or memoina budget bi ge.
Speaking on the occasion, President of BJP Manipur Pradesh S. Tikendra claimed that India was almost divided into fragments during the tenure of Jawaharlal Nehru as Prime Minister of India in the post-independence era. He claimed that initiatives taken by BJP founding leaders saved the nation. He added that India has become more peaceful, advanced and prosperous with the advent of the BJP-led government.
Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru Prime Minister Oirega, Adwagi history of Koyam repeat Torosi. Madayuta, Bharat ki entire territory of the country, Yamna, outstanding performances to Mayama, Pantopa Dubai, Yamna high profile personalities in Kandalaga, national government was Hagakiban. But then I say, when you register the photo in the River, Dr. Sama Prasan Krasisi, Mama Samadam and Kiwani Yawi, industry by law and legal affairs koi adu ki shasan de yaw adu kwai ki maithabati adu mo matamadu da Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru na shasan to ba adu ba prime minister do matam du da bharat se mache ta kai mo ki film de la.
Konthaujam BJP Mandal also held 41st BJP Foundation Day celebrations today. MLA Konthaujam Dr. Sapam Ranjan, BJP Manipur President S. Tiken, BJP Konthaujam Mandal President P. Hendangmayum Lal Kanhai, BJP State Vice President Mahila C.H. Bijenti and BJP workers jointly hoisted the party flag to mark the occasion. BJP Oinam Mandal also celebrated 41st Foundation Day of BJP at Yumnam Khuna Wards number 2 in Oinam constituency today. Speaking on the occasion, Chairman of Manipur Pollution Control Board cum Oinam MLA L. Radhakishore appeals to stop burning of forest covers and paddy straws to stop air pollution. BJP Oinam Mandal President T.H. Mangi, Treasurer N.G. Buddha Chandra and BJP members attended the event. Chief Minister Nongthuma Biren has assured that the state government is taking extra precautionary measures to prevent the outbreak of second wave of COVID-19. Responding to Impact News query on the measures being taken in the state in the wake of surging cases of COVID-19 in the rest of the country and the world, Chief Minister N. Biren said screening and testing of incoming air passengers at Imphal International Airport is being carried out and the same has been instructed for roadways. N. Biren assured that government is taking maximum precaution as possible and disclosed that a new SOP will be notified soon. He appeals to the public to refrain from crowds and gatherings and to abide by COVID-19 related SOPs to ward off the disease.
Missing to Yamjada Bahita in a cockfish. A pick up for boy, Benina, Yokshan Karikade, Yamu, but I appreciate the way public response. Fazana cooperation, Bibi, Mayam, Gomena, Apple Dogs, Tabi, giving them Tagasari, Airport, the Hanagi, the minor section, Singaba, affected states in the Laco test of Wakanatore, Makada Laco, Madu, Dona, instruction to Marina Zibam, Ga, Mauda, Aduna, Apple Toning, Sigilena, Messi, Kitan Kiato with the Calado, who show me and the Jeremy, Hida Kappa. Podo quick representative, Capta Pogil, and a couple of Toshi had another. And the Mayam Apple was Hida Capopio, Aduga social distancing, Eminency, Comengis, high take the maximum precaution locally and at the Matham.
Ex-chairman and founding director of Salai Holdings Private Limited, Narengbam Samajit, and current managing director, Narengbam Biswajit, have been ousted from Sagolban Tera Lokrapam Lekai. The decision to expel them from the locality was taken today during a sit-in organized by Lokrapam Lekai Smart Members Investors Committee. Speaking on the sidelines, committee executive member Chabungbam Tarun said people invested their money at Salai Holdings Private Limited, trusting the credibility of the company as assured by some MLAs, ministers and influential people. He said they have been ousted from the locality to avoid any unwanted incident. Tarun added that their mother and younger brother can continue living in their ancestral home but not in any properties purchased from earnings from the company.
Salai Yuishing Chekara and Ulmotamda, Hogiba 2019 gi September Hogi, white paper ama Putopiu, account estimate Putopiu, Haidana Quina, Garahana Moida, Akshinzomtanda, when Aduguma Singo Putopungam de, Moy Maran, Aduguma Mayam Singado, Losalaga Tamaga, projecting a city, Tangaleba Kongtang Mayam Singsa Araba Mayama, Makata and Sataratana, Moy Sati Kongdang do Arambo over the Yangi Pichasing to Mang, film de Lakuna, Haji Lepaki, Shuina, Lere, Mapon Kodimoka Manipur Pumagioina, Koroke among the lady, Hidebasida, Lamdamasida, Salai, Tera Lokrapum Lekai, Hidebam Pomasidagi, Hodokiba, Adugumba, Yamna, Mating Leba, Webana, Lamdamasida, a Papato, Moy Bokuni Risitowi, Adubo Hojiki, Lebaki Mang, and or Lavanina, Lekai is not 2 minute Levi Aroi, Heavy, Hidebali, Kibam using a say, Lekai is the song Pomatan, the Lekai, nothing but Tamia, Boy, what if Tabagaluna, Walk me Pomama, Lamdamasida Pantok Seri.
A wooden rental house at Hatta Mana Inkol in Imphal East District was reduced to cinders today. The incident occurred around 10:45 this morning. According to Impact News sources, the fire is suspected to have started from an electric short circuit. The rental house belonged to 138-year-old MD Sajid, son of late Abdul Haq from the same locality. It was rented to 4 non-locals. No one was home when the fire occurred. The fire also burnt down MD Sajid's kitchen. Manipur Fire Service team immediately rushed to douse the fire. However, owing to heavy traffic jam, the team could not reach the site on time and save the house, but they managed to contain the fire from spreading further. More than 43 lakh COVID-19 vaccine doses were administered in a span of 24 hours, the highest single-day coverage till now in India, taking the total doses given in the country so far to 8 crore 31 lakh 10,926. As per Union Health Ministry data updated today, a total of 43 lakh 966 vaccine doses have, out of which 39 lakh 505 beneficiaries received the first dose, while 4 lakh 461 have taken the second dose till 7 a.m. Maharashtra, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh and Kerala account for 60% of the cumulative vaccine doses given till now. Of the total jabs given in the country, Maharashtra has so far given the highest with 81 lakh 27,248 number of doses, followed by Gujarat at 76 lakh 89,507, Rajasthan at 72 lakh 99,305, Uttar Pradesh at 71 lakh 98,372 and West Bengal at 65 lakh 41,370 doses. COVID-19 vaccination is also going on across Manipur, including Bishnupur district. So far, 87,719 people have been administered COVID-19 vaccine in Manipur. State Health Directorate has made it mandatory for all the air passengers coming from 9 states to get tested for coronavirus with RT-PCR on arrival at Bir Tikendrajit International Airport in Imphal, with immediate effect in the wake of surge of COVID-19 cases in India. The 9 states are Maharashtra, Kerala, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Punjab, Rajasthan, Haryana and Tamil Nadu. Government's notification further said passengers will be allowed to leave the airport after collection of their samples, and they are instructed for home or self-isolation until the relevant officials give their test reports. COVID-19 cases continue to rise. Recorded a single-day spike of 96,982 new cases of COVID-19, taking tally to 1 crore 26 lakh 86,049 in the last 24 hours. As per the Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, there are 7 lakh 88,223 active cases of COVID-19 in the country. That toll has reached 1 lakh 65,547 with 446 new COVID-19 fatalities. On a positive note, 50,143 people were discharged in the past 24 hours, rising the recovered cases to 1 crore 17 lakh 32,279. India's recovery rate has further declined to 92.48%. Maharashtra has the highest active cases of above 4 lakh 52,000 in the country. Globally, coronavirus has infected above 13 crore 24 lakh 43,000 people. Above 2 crore 8 lakh 74,500 people have died, and recoveries are above 10 crore 67 lakh 71,900. USA has the highest active cases of above 69 lakh 69,000 in the world. There are only 244 active cases of COVID-19 in China from where the pandemic started. In the northeast region of India, Arunachal Pradesh has the lowest active COVID-19 cases of 10, which is an increase of 2 active cases since yesterday, while the pole-bound state of Assam ranks highest with 1,974 active cases, followed by Nagaland with 135 active cases, Meghalaya with 99 and Tripura with 71 active cases. There are 57 active cases of COVID-19 in Manipur, 56 in Sikkim and 45 in Mizoram. A special campaign for COVID-19 appropriate behavior was launched today. It will emphasize on 100% mask usage, personal hygiene and sanitation at public places, workplaces and health facilities. The special campaign will be held till April 14. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has stressed that the 5-fold strategy of testing, tracing, treatment, COVID-appropriate behavior and vaccination would be effective in curbing the spread of the pandemic. An earthquake of magnitude 5.4 struck near Sikkim's capital Gangtok on Monday night. Epicenter of the earthquake was 25 kilometers south east-southeast of Gangtok, that is Sikkim, the National Center for Seismology said. The earthquake struck at 8:49 p.m. at a depth of 10 km from the surface. According to reports, apart from Sikkim, tremors were felt in Assam, North Bengal and Bihar. Tremors were also felt in some parts of Nepal and Bhutan. President Ramnath Kovind has appointed Justice N.V. Ramana as the 48th Chief Justice of India, accepting the recommendation made by the outgoing CJI S.A. Bobde. Justice Ramana will have a term till August 26 next year. Before his elevation to the Supreme Court on February 17, 2014, Justice Ramana was the Chief Justice of the Delhi High Court. He was born in an agricultural family in Andhra Pradesh. Polling is underway for assembly elections in Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Puducherry. Voting is also underway for the third phase of assembly elections in Assam and West Bengal. While single-phase polling is being held in Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Puducherry, its third and final phase in Assam today. Voting is also underway for bypolls to Kanyakumari Lok Sabha seat in Tamil Nadu and Malappuram Parliamentary Constituency in Kerala. The voting began at 7 this morning in all poll-bound states. Voting will continue till 6 p.m. in Assam, 6:30 p.m. in West Bengal and till 7 p.m. in Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Puducherry. In Kerala, over 20.20% voter turnout has been reported till 10 a.m. Now, before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Bharatiya Janata Party celebrates 41st Foundation Day. Chief Minister Nongthumbam Biren claims BJP has become most trusted and favorite political party. Chief Minister N. Biren assures government is taking extra precautions to prevent outbreak of second wave of COVID-19 in Manipur. Salai Holdings ex-chairman Narengbam Samajid and managing director Narengbam Biswajit expelled from Sagolbantera Lokrapom Lekai. And India logs 96,982 COVID-19 cases and 446 deaths in 24 hours. Country's COVID tally rises above 1,26,86,000.